Hello everyone. Welcome back to our program. We have Mike Gilmore, author of the Levels of Power books, back to discuss the very latest in the series. The Foreigner. Mike, this new novel portrays a darker theme as your main character. Senator Randy Fisher faces a new danger that might affect all of London.
That is correct, Jennifer. This book brings answers to questions left open in the first book in the series, The Senator. Randy and his family are having lunch in a London restaurant near Trafalgar Square. Randy notices a man walking past the restaurant window. It is a face from his past. Randy leaves the restaurant and a confused family by his sudden action to chase the man. He runs down the street and enters the famous Trafalgar Square. The story is exciting. From Trafalgar Square they continue into Charing Cross railway station and then over the Jubilee Bridge towards the London Eye. On the bridge, the two men finally confront each other. Randy wants to turn him over to the authorities. The suspect wants to kill Randy Fisher. The fight scene is terrific. Despite 15 years older than the suspect, Randy has the upper hand in their life and death struggle until a second suspect blindsides the senator and both men escapes. Randy must then turn to Scotland Yard and his own friend, CIA Deputy Director of Operation, Marion Bellwood, to help stop the possible terrorist attack against London. They have few clues to follow. Randy's own history with the suspect, and the information they can learn from a backpack dropped by one of the men during the fight on the bridge. Now the authorities, along with Randy and Marion, must race against an unknown clock to stop whatever the terrorists have planned against the beautiful city of London.
Fascinating, Mike. It appears the story moves at a rapid pace. However, there is another story unfolding back in Washington, D.C. that also affects our story's hero. Can you explain?
Correct, Joseph. The readers will learn that President Miller has already introduced to Congress a new retail sales tax bill on corporations doing $50 million in annual sales. The bill sailed through the House of Representatives with quick passage. When the Senate takes up the legislation, the president gets the surprise of his political career. 3 Republican senators decide to honor their own campaign pledge. No more taxes, no way, no how. They band together to prevent the bill moving to the Senate Finance Committee. They start a filibuster to stop the legislation, and the president must face stubborn opposition from his own political party.
Interesting. Fisher is dealing with a possible terrorist attack in London and a filibuster back in the Senate. That must cause quite a dilemma for our hero.
Yes, Randy can't leave London until he has answers to his questions. Is London facing a terrorist attack? Is this a rehearsal for another attack against the United States?
Quite a book, Mike. 2 terrific stories, each worthy on their own. I don't know how you can pack so much action in one book. Tell our viewers where they can find your novels.
All of my novels are available on my website. Go to michaelgilmore1.com. Once you have read the first book, The Senator, you will want to follow the characters in each book.
Levels of Power and the Lace House Murder, a SLED investigation by Mike Gilmore. Find all of Mike's books at michaelgilmore1.com. Contact Mike with questions on his website.